failing. When you are failing, it feels bad. But when you are failing on YouTube, it feels even worse. And here's the thing, in order for you and your channel to succeed and get more subscribers and views, you need to fail. This past week, my computer failed me and it was so annoying because I personally couldn't do anything about it. Even though my computer's fault isn't really my fault and my computer failing isn't me failing personally, I want to post one video a week, and going forward, I would like to post 2 videos a week. But when I can't even post one video, I get really frustrated and I feel like, okay, the YouTube algorithm will hate me now since I didn't post last week. This video will perform super bad and I need to start all over. It feels like a race that I can't win. I'm constantly running behind the YouTube train, and when it stops at the next station, I'm almost there, but then it continues and I am out of breath and I can't run anymore. We are human. We are making so many mistakes in our lifetime that it's impossible to count all of the mistakes, but we don't need to focus on those mistakes. But here's the thing. People tend to take failures and mistakes on YouTube even harder than if they are doing something wrong in their real life, I guess. The other day, for example, I accidentally dropped a glass and it shattered all over my floor and I have to clean it up. It was a minor mistake, didn't think much of it. But when I'm making mistakes when it comes to YouTube, if it is when I'm recording my video, something happens with my microphone, light, the camera, I will blame myself so much more, and I bet you do the same thing. And sometimes you don't realize the mistake until the video has been out for like 2 or 3 hours, and then it feels like it's impossible and you can't change it, you can't fix it, you can't take down the video because you feel like YouTube will not care about your new upload because you have changed something. And we need to stop blaming ourselves, we need to stop doubting ourselves, we need to think in our mind, okay, I did a mistake, I'm a human, I can fix that mistake, I can fix my failure, and I can make sure that the next time I'm aware, okay, these lights need to be plugged in a bit more, this microphone, I need to check it before I record. So don't let those failures, those mistakes change the way you behave or change the way you are doing YouTube. You are you and you are awesome. And I just wanted to make this quick little video to remind you that failures and mistakes will happen to you. They will happen so many times. You can't control when it happens. It just happens. Just stay focused. Think about what you did. Are you able to change something until your next video? That's good. If you are failing on YouTube, just continue on, post a new video until you don't fail anymore. At one point, so many people will find your videos, so many people will subscribe to your channel that YouTube will drag your channel and skyrocket it into the sky. All of a sudden you are monetized. You will have your silver play button, gold play button. You will never know. So continue on posting and try to fix whatever you can in order to improve. And I will see you guys in the next one. Esbjorn, peace out. Check out this video right here. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye bye.